Good morning, friends. Yesterday, our auto A Uppi City BS2 2017 that given the trouble when we were going to attend the one function in Khammam. The middle of the journey, our auto given the trouble. Then after we bought our auto nearby one mechanic shop. The mechanic they rose the 4 complaints. That one is the completely clutch plate failed, had to replace, and CR bearing completely worn out. We must change, and clutch outer wire were also failed. We certainly change, and the gear oil and engine oil also that became blackish. We had to change like that. They given the 4 complaints. Then after we said okay, we do like that, we given. Then after they completed, actually we regret about that. They how much time they take when we go to attend the like that, we regret. But they really, I am appreciating them. They did their work. They repaired our auto within the 15 minutes. See, the 2 youth, they were did the very well, and very gently they completed within shortly. That is why when they completed within the 15 minutes, we again restart to our journey, and we attend in time. And then really I am very happy to attend the function. Thank you. Jai Bhim.